Hey, Jerry. How's your morning going?
Pretty good, Elon. I just made myself a big cup of coffee. You know me, I can't start my day without it. How about you?
Same here. Coffee is my morning fuel. I actually woke up a bit late today. I guess my daily habit of hitting the snooze button is still going strong.
Oh, I know that habit. I do the same thing sometimes. So what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is how to talk about daily habits in English.
Nice. That's something everyone can relate to.
Exactly. And for our listeners, if you want to read along or study the phrases later, we've added a free PDF of this full script in the description below.
Yeah, you can download it and practice speaking or reading with us. It's a great way to improve your English step by step.
So grab your coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's talk about our daily habits in English.
Let's go.
All right, let's start with mornings. What's your morning routine like, Jerry?
Okay, so I usually wake up around 6:30. The first thing I do is check my phone, which is a bad habit, I know.
Yeah, I do that too sometimes. It's like we open our eyes and boom, straight to the phone.
Exactly, but I try to change that. After checking messages, I make my bed, then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
That sounds nice. Very organized.
Thanks. After that, I make some coffee and breakfast, usually eggs and toast. Sometimes oatmeal if I'm feeling healthy.
Oatmeal. That's a classic. I usually skip breakfast though. Not a great habit.
Yeah, skipping breakfast can make you tired later. What time do you wake up, by the way?
I try for 7, but it's usually 7:30.
Classic.
After I finally get up, I drink a big glass of water. It helps me wake up. Then I stretch a little, maybe 5 minutes.
That's a good idea. I should try that.
Yeah, it really helps me feel more awake. Then I take a quick shower and get dressed.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Oh, yes. I always play some calm music, something like jazz or acoustic guitar. It makes my morning peaceful.
Nice. I like upbeat songs, something to give me energy.
That's so you.
So in English, when we talk about habits, we can use usually, always, sometimes, never. Like, I usually wake up early.
Right, or I never skip coffee.
Exactly. So listeners, you can say things like, I usually get up at 6. I sometimes eat breakfast. I always brush my teeth after meals.
That's perfect English and easy to remember.
Totally.
Okay, so after the morning, what's next? Work or study time, right?
Yeah, I start working around 8:30. I work from home, so my commute is just walking to my desk.
Lucky, no traffic, no stress.
Exactly. I start by checking emails, then I make a to-do list for the day. That's one of my habits, writing down everything I need to do.
That's a great habit. I try to do that too, but sometimes I just keep it in my head. Then I forget things.
Oh, I used to do that. Now I write it down because my brain can't keep up anymore.
Same here. I think writing helps us stay organized.
Definitely. What about you? What's your work habit?
I usually start work around 9. I like to start with something easy, like checking messages or reading the news before I do the big tasks.
Oh, like a warm-up.
Exactly. It's like warming up your brain.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And I always take a short break every hour. I stretch or walk around.
That's a good idea. I sometimes forget to move. I sit for hours and then my back hurts.
Yeah, same here. We all need to stretch more.
So listeners, you can say things like, I usually start work at 9. I always make a to-do list. I take a short break every hour.
Those are great sentence patterns.
Yes, practice them. Use them to talk about your own day.
Okay, let's move to lunchtime.
My favorite part of the day.
Same here. What do you usually eat for lunch?
It depends. If I'm busy, I just make a sandwich, but if I have time, I cook something simple, like pasta or salad.
Nice. I usually go out for lunch, but I'm trying to cook more at home these days.
That's a good habit. Cooking at home is cheaper and healthier.
Yeah, true. I used to eat out all the time. Now I try to eat more vegetables.
Same here. I try to eat a balanced meal. Protein, carbs, and veggies.
Wow, look at you being all healthy.
I try, but sometimes I just want pizza.
Me too. So in English, you can say, I usually eat lunch at home. I sometimes eat fast food. I always drink water with my meal.
Good examples. After lunch, I like to take a short walk.
That's nice. I usually feel sleepy after lunch, so a walk helps.
Yes, it wakes you up.
Do you drink coffee again in the afternoon?
Oh, yes. Around 3 p.m. That's my second cup.
Of course.
How about you?
Same here. I can't survive the afternoon without coffee.
So true.
All right. Let's talk about evenings. What's your after-work routine?
After work, I like to relax a bit. I watch YouTube or listen to music.
Nice. I usually go for a short walk before dinner.
That's healthy. I try to exercise too. I do yoga 2 or 3 times a week.
Really? That's great.
Yeah, it helps me stay calm and flexible.
I wish I could say the same.
Well, sometimes is better than never.
That's true. So for learners, you can say things like, I usually exercise in the evening. I sometimes go jogging. I never skip dinner.
Good ones. Speaking of dinner, what time do you eat?
I usually eat around 7:30. I like cooking something simple, like rice and chicken.
Yum. I usually eat around 6:30. Lighter meals at night help me sleep better.
Good point. I sometimes eat too late and then I can't sleep.
Yeah, that happens to me too if I eat pizza or spicy food.
I get it.
So what do you do after dinner?
I usually relax, maybe watch a show or read a little. Sometimes I call my family.
That's sweet. I like to talk to my mom after dinner too.
Aw, moms love that.
They really do. Smiles.
Okay, so let's talk about night routines.
Oh boy. I try to go to bed at 10, but it's usually closer to midnight.
Same here. I always plan to sleep early, but I end up watching videos or scrolling through my phone.
Yeah, that's a bad habit.
Totally. But I'm trying to stop. I sometimes put my phone away 30 minutes before bed.
That's smart. I read a book instead. It helps me relax.
That's a good idea. Maybe I'll try that.
You should. Reading is peaceful.
So, what's your night routine like? Step by step.
Okay, so after dinner, I clean the kitchen, take a shower, brush my teeth, and put on my pajamas. Then I read for about 20 minutes.
That sounds relaxing.
Yeah, it helps me sleep better.
I usually brush my teeth, wash my face, and then just lie in bed watching something.
That's most people's habit these days.
Yeah, true. But I think small changes can help.
Exactly. Good habits make life smoother.
Yes. And to talk about habits in English, you can also use words like every day I, before bed I, after work I.
Right. Like every day I brush my teeth before bed.
Perfect sentence.
You know, it's funny. Talking about daily habits makes me realize how small things shape our day.
Yeah. Even little habits like drinking water or making the bed can make a big difference.
Totally. And for our listeners, practicing how to describe your habits in English is great speaking practice.
Yes. Try talking about your own day in English. You can say things like, I usually wake up at 7. I sometimes go jogging. I always brush my teeth before bed.
And don't worry about mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you'll get.
Exactly. And don't forget, you can download today's free PDF script in the description below. You can read it, listen again, and practice at your own speed.
Yeah, read it out loud. It's a great way to improve pronunciation and fluency.
All right, that's it for today's episode, How to Talk About Daily Habits in English.
We hope you enjoyed spending time with us.
We'll see you next time, same place, same podcast.
Take care, everyone, and keep practicing your English every day.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Smiles.